Howdy, this is Emily with Super Awesome Cool Pottery bringing to you Juggling Bear on a Unicycle.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, it's me again, hopping in here to give you guys a small drawing lesson and breakdown on how I went about doing this juggling bear today. So the very first thing I like to do whenever I start drawing is draw a circle for where the head is going to be, and I base everything else off of that. Next up is the neck of our bear, which is nice and thick, sort of doing this diamond shape that goes down in a point, and where I define where that point is going to go by drawing a line of action through the center of the bear that shows where it's facing. I do the same thing with the head, so I know where to draw the muzzle in, which I use a rectangular shape to kind of block out where that's going to be. The next thing I do is the chest of our bear to show where the arms are going to go, and I use two basically blocking in the pecs of the bear. Then of course is our big round belly, which I use a very large teardrop shape for to really get that big round bear feel. Then I start blocking in the arms using a similar teardrop shape because bears are extremely bulky. We want those to be nice, big, and round. The paws of our bear are just squares, and I use little triangles to block in the claws. For the legs, I'm using a similar technique using those big round shapes to block in the thighs and the calves of our bear, and repeating the same technique I use for the paws on the hands for the feet. Then the last thing we need to do is block in our little ears with some squares. And now that we have all of our building blocks, that foundation, we can start building on top of this to create the bear that we want in our image. So now that that's all said and done, I'll let you guys get back to the video.